Hello guys, how to fix KB5030219 update failed to install in Windows 11 22H2 update. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute some Windows update components. All these commands execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. These execute all these commands. All these command paths will also available in my video description. You may copy from my video's description. Execute all these commands one by one. Thereafter, execute sfc a scan now command to check any corrupted files in your system. It may be a cause of update failed to install in Windows 11, Windows 10. sfc scan now and press enter. The next workaround is again go to Windows settings. Go to system settings, troubleshoot from the right side, other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows update troubleshooter. It will not only detect the issue, it will fix any Windows update related issue, detect them and fix them. The next workaround is go to run command box and type services.msc to open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And in services windows, first go to background intelligence transfer service, right click on it and choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then restart background and intelligence transfer service. Apply a double click on it to open and set startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter go to Windows Update Services and you will find the Windows Update Services. Right click on it and choose start. Otherwise restart. Apply double click on it and the startup type set as automatic. The next workaround to fix this issue is again press Win plus R shortcut key to launch box. Here type ncpa.cpl. Open it. Right click on your network connections. Choose properties. Here select Internet Protocol version 4 and choose properties. Use the following DNS server address. Preferred DNS server should be 8888 and alternate DNS server 8844 and press OK. Any network issue may be a cause of update failed to install. So reset network also. Go to Windows settings, network and internet, advanced network settings and here choose network reset and click on reset now. That's all.